Welcome back to Handy Mandarin. Discover the fastest and easiest way to create your own expressions in Chinese freely. Let's continue Chinese grammar and logic class. We hope to hear your opinion to bring more content to our channel. Now, we need to learn the complex sentence. So we still need to check this some short talk. I'm Leslie, 我是 Leslie. Now we know this sentence, right? 我从上海来. And also we know this. 我在 Mass China 工作. You can use this to introduce your job as well. Now I'm going to explain you this one. Nice to meet you. Also it means I'm pleased to get to know you, right? So you can see this one, I am pleased to get to know you. This seems that the two individual sentence, independent sentence, we put them together. We call it complex sentence. So you see, we can put single sentence 1 and the single sentence 2 together. So actually this is English order and the Chinese sentence order are exactly same. If you can make each single sentence correctly, and your long sentence is perfect, will be perfect. So look, if we check that we make the object part with the single sentence, we still keep the subject keep the words as the words. So we will get this sentence. So usually the verb, people use say, thanks. Like, I say what. I thanks that what you help me, what you do. So this is the words we already learned. Of course, later we will get the more sentence like, I think what. So, I tell what. I explain what. So look at this. There, I gave you 4 sentences. I said this is just follow your English sentence. Each single sentence has its own order. You already understand. Then put them together. Need no connection words, please. No conjunction words, and or but or something. Okay, let's try. Did you finish yourself well? Okay, so let's see the answer. So the sentence is, we can divide it here, right? The first one, so it's subject, verb, and the single sentence. 他们的法国总经理说 what? Say what? This is a long sentence. 他没有中文名字. Same as English. Just do word by word translation. Second one, 陈太太说英国茶很好. So this single sentence, we can get the SVO and or as the degree and adjective, right? So this single sentence can be comment or introduction, 2 kinds of order. Next one, 谢谢你们来我们的公司. So before we know the visit, we can say come to. So I hope that you, of course, you cannot know all the words when you talk with people. But if you already have some vocabulary, I strongly suggest you just use these words to describe what you learned before you look up your dictionary or your electrical dictionary on your phone. So that's the very effective way for you to improve your communication, because nobody can know all the words in advance. But some words you can describe, it's enough. So that's why you can say come to. 谢谢你们来我的公司. So you can use this sentence in your office. That's to welcome some guests, right? Or visitors. And next one is 谢谢你喜欢我的菜 my cooking. So in some restaurant, the chef will come out to get people's appreciation. So you can say that they can reply in this way. 谢谢你，你们喜欢我的菜. So people will ask me why before when I explain that your hobby, you can say cooking is 做饭, but why here we only say 菜? Because this is you like my dish, right? The dish I cook for you. It's not my cooking way. That's why we say you like my dish, not the cooking. So Chinese people use the clear information, direct or precise. Cooking just the work in the kitchen. It's not the dish in front of the people on the table. That's why they use this word. Okay, so for the object part, it's easy for people to understand. Let's talk about the first part. We also can use the sentence. Like the sentence we want to explain is, I'm pleased to meet you. I'm pleased to get to know you, right? So I'm pleased, also it's the sentence structure. So pleased is happy, nice, and pleased. It means 高兴. So this usually I met several people. They know this sentence because they always say this in their business. But when I ask them to say, I'm pleased to invite you have lunch with us or join our party. I'm very happy that you join our party. They got lost. But actually they are same structure, right? So that's why I strongly suggest to you to memorize and familiar with this principle. Then they are much more useful, much more effective for your study. Okay, so this is easy way that you use the degree word, not and, right? And we say no and but meet get to know you. Get to know you, we say 认识. This is know some people. So let's translate this sentence. I'm pleased to know you. 我很高兴认识. So 我很高兴认识你. So 高兴认识你. I'm very pleased 认识你. 我很高兴认识你. So for know some people and know something or matter or fact or know some fact, you can see Chinese people use two different words. Why? I said they need precise, specific expression. That's why they cannot accept know somebody and know something. They use same word. In Chinese language, no. So look, let's just follow this rule and translate this full sentence. After you finish your translation, we check together. Okay. Ready? Go. So, 我的英国朋友知道 Must China. Must China is school. It's not one person, not only me and I have lots of the colleagues. So you just say 知道. I know their name, so know something. Then 李老师知道他是意大利人. So you can see 知道 know some fact. He is Italian. He's an Italian. So the sentence, the object part is become a sentence. That's why we call it a complex sentence. So next one, 他的德国朋友很高兴. Don't forget this degree because 高兴 is adjective. 很高兴 for what? 去中国. So very happy to do something. Last one, 他不知道 我们的 This is 总经理从北京来 Don't forget, this is phrase. 他不知道 Don't know what. So all the left part is the content of know what. Doesn't know. Okay, so this is all the work we should do today. Let's check the summary. First of all, I need strongly emphasize that's this principle again. Because I said this is Chinese people thinking, this Chinese logic. Any sentence you can explain the order with this rule. I said it takes me several years to fit out. I didn't find this expression in any grammar book because it sounds so simple. Yes, when you get it, it's simple. But before, you don't understand why. Because we never research. I think lots of the scholars or experts, they research the language, but I research thinking. I hope that through this study, you not only understand the Chinese or the vocabularies or grammars, you should understand Chinese people's thinking. Then you really can get more sense in the communication. So this is the logical. Follow your action order, or even follow the order of some affair. Something happened first, something happened then after that, another things, one more things, and the end. So still like you describe some story one by one. The new sentence element we got in this part, we got the place word. So the place word give us that the more expressions. So compare English and Chinese. Chinese use specific words for location. Stay at somewhere. Not English NSR. This is not easy to switch from one to another one easily, but please keep in your mind. The position of this place word, this is together is place word. It's not only the place itself, okay? Then you need to stay at somewhere, then you can do something. Easy to understand, right? With our principle. And the fourth part I stress is the negative of the place word. And where do we put the bu? Because we have two or even more verbs. Which one we want to deny? Then you put the bu before it. For the rest, still have the positive meaning. So that's why we denied the place or we denied the do something. Complex sentence, I think we got the single sentence 1 and single sentence 2. We put them together. And for each ones, it can be this order, subject, verb, object. Or we have the adjective comment order. This is use degree word. So we learned for this verb is with say. So I say I will go to Beijing. Then thanks for coming our company, or know something. 我知道 something. I know that Leslie is a teacher. I know that the Beijing is big. Right? So when we got these words, same as English. So this is easy. And the second one is for the degree, we have the pleased. So the displeased is here. Should be here, sorry. It's degree. 我很高兴. So here now we only know 很. Before, later we will get more degree word. Okay, that's all for today's study. Next class, I will give you the new type. That's the third types of questions in Chinese. 再见. For more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell so that you are the first to be notified when here a new video is released.